Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be making the absolute best homemade creamy mac and cheese. Let's get to it. So here's the ingredients that we're going to be using today. And the first thing is, of course, going to be macaroni elbows. And if you prefer shells, feel free to substitute for that. Otherwise, I'm going to have some ground white pepper, butter, of course, Velveeta cheese, some sharp cheddar, milk, 2%. And some sour cream. Let's get started. First, we're going to do 2 cups of milk. And 2.5 cups of water. I'm going to have my heat on high and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and a pound of my macaroni. Of course, you can substitute for your shells if you want. And we're just going to stir this in and we're going to bring it up to a boil. Once we're at a boil, we're going to drop it down to a simmer. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of a ground white pepper. And if you want, you can use black pepper also. And go ahead and stir that in. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes and I'm going to stir occasionally just to make sure that none of the macaroni sticks to the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead and throw in the Velveeta, and we're just going to go ahead and stir that in. And we're just going to go ahead and continue to cook that for another 3 minutes, let that cheese melt, and the macaroni should be pretty good by then. Make sure you continue to stir. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of shredded sharp cheddar. Mix that in. Allow it to melt, and then I'm going to turn off my heat. Then we're going to make it a little bit more creamy. Add 1/4 cup of sour cream. And we're going to mix all that in. You can always add a little bit more ground white pepper to taste. And that's it. Otherwise, give it a taste. So good. Make sure you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.